Hello kids! Hello mom and dad out there. Today I'll be showing you on how to cook fried chicken without oil. For sure, your kids will love it. Let's start cooking. We'll be using our frozen chicken and also our electric skillet. Before we put our chicken, we first need to make sure that our skillet is fully preheated. To know if it's fully preheated, we first need to sprinkle a little bit of water, and then if you see dancing water, then it means that your skillet is now fully preheated. Now you see dancing water, it means that our skillet is now fully preheated. Now we can put our chicken. Now we're gonna defrost it at 5 minutes and 230 degrees Celsius. While waiting, do you know that the cause of high cholesterol and high blood is because of oil? That's why I'm now showing to you in how to cook our favorite fried chicken without oil. Now let's see if it's fully defrosted. Oh, it's now fully defrosted. We're now gonna open crack and set it to 15 minutes. And 230 degrees Celsius. While waiting, I'll be cutting our cucumber using our world famous food processor using cone number 4. While waiting, I will be preparing my plating. After 15 minutes, we need to flip our chicken. And then after you flip, we need to wait for another 15 minutes. There. After 30 minutes, our fried chicken is now done. Ooh! Look at the oil. It got extracted from the chicken. Normally, we add a lot of oil. But now, this is without oil. the notification bell for more future videos. Bye! Thank you for watching this video.